Once upon a time, 5,000 years ago, the leader of the demigods, Indra, was sitting on his golden throne in Swargaloka, the most beautiful heavenly planet.
Ati Sundar. These apsaras can dance like celestial butterflies.
Your Highness, O most powerful Indradev, King of the demigods, Maharishi Narad Muni has come and is asking to see you. वो आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं.
I'm not well. How should I receive such a great devotee of Krishna in this condition? मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है.
Narayan, Narayan.
Oh Indra, what happened? Why is your face without luster? आप उदास लग रहे हो. क्या हुआ? Why are you crying, Indradev? You are the king of the heavens. आप रो क्यों रहे हो?
How should I say it? मैं क्या बताऊं आपको? O Narad Muni, I am such an offender. My envy has completely ruined me. So many times I treated Krishna badly. The peak of my ignorance was when Krishna appeared as a child in Vrindavan and I didn't recognize him. At one point, Krishna stopped the sacrifice meant for me and he directed it towards Govardhan Hill. I was furious. I thought I will teach Krishna and the residents of Vrindavan a lesson and drown them. I tried everything in my power to destroy Krishna's village and his dearest devotees. However, Krishna defeated me. मैं हार गया. He showed me he is my eternal master and the supreme independent being upon whom everything else depends, including me. Then I came to my senses and I strongly regretted my misdeeds. Krishna बहुत दयालु है. He was very merciful upon me. But ever since then, I was so embarrassed that I couldn't approach him. Because of what happened, I have missed all childhood pastimes of Krishna. सभी बचपन की लीलाओं को नहीं देखा. अब सब खत्म हो गया. Krishna is now the Prince of Dwaraka, and all the sweetest and most intimate pastimes are gone. Oh Narada, how shall I forgive myself for this? Why should I care to live any longer?
Indradev, Indra, look at me. Do you really want to see Krishna as a cowherd boy? Indra, आप देखना चाहते हो कृष्णा को ग्वाल बाल के रूप में?
Yes, I would do anything. Just for one single darshan. मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ एक दर्शन के लिए.
Your desire is pure and therefore do not worry, it will be fulfilled. आपकी इच्छा जरूर पूरी होगी.
Oh Narada, how is that even possible? ये कैसे मुमकिन है?
चिंता मत करो. Don't you worry. I have a perfect plan. If everything goes according to my plan, I will call you. When the time comes, be prepared and immediately come so that you can see what your heart desires for. मैं आपको सही समय पर बुलाऊंगा.
नारायण नारायण.
मुनि बाजाय बिना राधिकार मन नामे. नारद मुनि बाजाय बिना राधिकार मन नामे. नाम मणि उदित है भकत गीत सामे. नाम मणि उदित है भकत गीत सामे. नारद मुनि बाजाय बिना राधिकार मन नामे.
Thereafter, Narad Muni went to Dwarka and went to the palace to meet Devaki. Krishna's mother Devaki was happy to receive him.
नारायण नारायण.
O greatest sage, O universal traveler, Maharishi Narad, we are so happy to have your darshan. What brings you among us in this most fortunate city of Dwarka? And what can I do for you? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ?
O Devaki, most fortunate of all mothers, I am so happy to be with all of you after such a long time. मैं आप सभी से मिलके बहुत खुश हूँ. Now since you're asking what you can do for me, well, maybe you could do something like fulfilling your promise. आप पूछ रहे हैं तो अपना वादा पूरा कीजिए.
वादा? Promise? What promise? मुझे कुछ याद नहीं. I don't remember any unfulfilled promises.
Let me remind you. मैं आपको याद दिलाता हूँ. Perhaps you remember when you and Vasudev were in prison and when the evil Kamsa killed your children, एक के बाद एक, and then the 8th child appeared in your womb. जब कृष्णा आपके गर्भ में थे and you were very much worried about his life, आप बहुत चिंता कर रहे थे. Then out of fear for his safety, उनकी रक्षा के लिए आपने देवताओं से प्रार्थना की थी. You chanted different mantras for his protection and prayed to all the demigods. You said, "O Devatas, if only this child could escape Kamsa, ये बच्चा किसी तरह से यहाँ से निकल जाए. If you help save my child from Kamsa's evil hands, I promise you, मैं वादा करती हूँ कि मैं सबसे बड़ा यज्ञ का आयोजन करूँगी. I will organize the biggest yajna in the universe and shower you all with all the honors and gifts. Just please help me. कृपया मेरी मदद कीजिए. Do you remember देवकी? आपको याद आया?
Oh yes, अब मुझे याद आ रहा है. I remember now, but somehow I completely forgot about it. Krishna appeared in prison, and out of fear of Kamsa, Vasudev took him immediately to Vrindavan. However, Kamsa continued his oppression and constantly kept sending different demons to destroy little Krishna. बार बार असुरों को भेज रहा था. अघासुर, बकासुर, पूतना, तृणवर्ता, केशी. I lived in constant anxiety and fear for his life. And thus I completely forgot about my promise given to the demigods. मैं हमेशा भय में रहती हूँ, इसीलिए मैं अपना वादा भूल गई. मुझे क्षमा कीजिए. Sorry, I'm so sorry that I forgot about it. What should I do now? How should I pay for such an offense to the Devas? Narada, please instruct me. अब मैं क्या करूं? मुझे मार्गदर्शन कीजिए.
It is not good to forget a given promise. Still, it might not be too late, Devaki. अपना वादा भूलना अच्छी बात नहीं है. कोई नहीं. Maybe we do something now and you can repay the demigods for their help.
Please tell me, how can I help? मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
Invite all the respected demigods and sages from the whole universe to Dwarka to take part in the biggest yajna ever witnessed. इस यज्ञ के लिए आप सभी देवताओं को बुलाइए. सबसे बड़ा त्योहार का आयोजन करिए. There should be hundreds of brahmanas. We shall organize the biggest festival and invite all to come and glorify our dear Krishna. सबको न्योता दीजिए कि आकर हमारे कृष्णा की प्रशंसा करें. And Krishna can personally conduct yajna and offer oblations into the fire.
Wonderful, wonderful. बहुत खूब. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Maharishi Narad, I will personally make invitations and I may request you as the most famous universal traveler to go to every corner of the universe and deliver them to everyone. मैं आपसे विनती करती हूँ.
At that moment, Kamsa's old mother Padmavati enters the room, whom the Yadavas are taking care of after Kamsa's death.
Oh Padmavati, have you heard? आपने सुना? नारद मुनि सारी दुनिया में सबको निमंत्रण देने जाएंगे. Sage Narada will go and invite all the residents of the universe, but especially the Devatas, for the biggest yajna sacrifice ever seen, सबसे बड़े यज्ञ के लिए, as a gratitude that Krishna still lives amongst us. Isn't it wonderful?
Oh, wonderful. Narada is Deva Rishi and he can travel everywhere. So let him go and invite everybody. But, लेकिन, किसी भी हाल में, under any circumstances, he should not invite the residents of Vrindavan. ब्रजवासी को नहीं बुलाएं. Those people were very bad to Krishna and therefore don't deserve to see him. So Narada, आप वृंदावन नहीं जाना. You should not go to Vrindavan, but you can invite everyone else.
Certainly, Mother Padmavati, certainly. I will definitely obey this.
Narayan Narayanu.
And then the mischievous Narad Muni went straight to Vrindavan. Before inviting any other demigod or sage, he went to Vrajbhumi. Narad Muni is famous for his transcendental plans because he often does something unpredictable, contrary, and stunning. And in the end, it turns out to be for everyone's benefit. Therefore, dear devotees, enjoy his pastimes, which are fully for the pleasure of Krishna.
वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्य चिंतामणि धाम रतन मंदिर मनोहार वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्य चिंतामणि धाम रतन मंदिर मनोहार कालिंदी राजहंसा के तोरे ताहे शोभे कनक कमार आवृता कालिंदी नीरे राजहंसा के कोरे ताहे शोभे कनक कमार वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्य चिंतामणि धाम रतन मंदिर तार मध्य हेमापीठ अष्टदले विष्टित अष्टदले प्रधान नयिका तार मध्य रत्नासने बाशियाच जने श्याम संग सुंदरी राधिका रत्नासने बाशिया छेद जने श्याम संग सुंदरी राधिका वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्य चिंतामणि धाम रतन मंदिर
Narayan Narayanu.
Hey my dear friends, tell me, is this Vrindavan? ये वृंदावन है? क्या हुआ सब ब्रजवासीस को? What has happened to these Brajvasis? What has gone wrong with Krishna's dearest devotees? वो दुनिया के सबसे अमीर लोग थे, I remember them being the richest people in the world. And Krishna personally made sure they have everything they wished for. And now, look, all of them are dressed in simple clothes. No ornaments, no decorations, no jewelry, no gems, nothing. वो इतने गरीब कैसे हो गए? क्या हुआ वो चिंतामणि वृक्षों को? What happened to their opulence? And how did they end up in such poverty? What happened to the desire trees that used to give them anything they wished for?
You know, when Krishna left Vrindavan, हम सब मरने के लिए तैयार थे, जैसे हमारी जान ही निकल गई. All of us were ready to die that very moment due to the strong separation from our life and soul from Krishna. But nobody, not even the smallest blade of grass, not even a tiny insect, did not want to die because we knew it would break Krishna's heart. इसलिए हम जीते रहे ये उम्मीद के साथ कि कृष्णा अपना वादा पूरा करेंगे और वापस वृंदावन आ जाएंगे. So we continued to live with one and only one wish. Krishna had promised that he would return to us. When Krishna left for Mathura and later to Dwarka, हम जानते थे कि राक्षस राजाओं से उन पर कोई बड़ा खतरा मंडरा रहा है. We always knew that there is some great danger threatening him from the demoniac kings. Therefore, we decided to give all our opulence, jewels, everything we had. We decided to give to the Brahmanas from the nearby village. हमने हमारा सब कुछ दे दिया कृष्णा की सुरक्षा के लिए. These Brahmanas constantly performed big sacrifice for Krishna's protection as he saved Vrindavan. Everything we had, we gave for that. Without Krishna, we consider ourselves just beggars, and therefore selling our property does not seem like a big loss to us. कृष्णा के सिवा हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है.
नारायण नारायण.
हा हा हा, कितनी भक्ति है, कितना प्रेम है. कृष्णा ही ब्रजवासियों की दौलत है. What devotion, what love. There is no love such as Braj Bhakti. Whether they look rich or poor, Krishna is the only wealth of Brajvasis. All glories, all glories. Could you please tell me, how can I find Krishna's parents, Nand Maharaj and Yashoda Maiya? आप मुझे बता सकते हैं वो कहाँ मिलेंगे?
नारदा, do you see the stream of salty water? ये आंसुओं से भरी है. It is filled with tears of Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda Maiya, who always cry, कहाँ है मेरा कान्हा? Where is Krishna? Oh, where is Krishna? Just follow the stream to the village. It will lead you to the very end, where Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda Maiya live. You will find one decayed house covered with cobwebs, in which fire doesn't burn. Ever since Krishna left, Yashoda Maiya has never entered her kitchen again, but only sits in front of the house and she cries and stares in a distance. When will Krishna return? जब से कृष्णा गए हैं, तब से यशोदा मैया ने खाना ही नहीं बनाया है. वो सब कुछ छोड़ के कृष्णा की राह देख रही है.
Narad Muni started to follow the stream of tears, where he found Vrajaprem, ecstatic love of Brajavasis for Krishna.
मोहन तेरी प्रीत कैसी, मोहन तेरी प्रीत कैसी, जागी रही भावना जैसी, प्रभु मूरत देखी तन तैसी. जन्म की पूंजी पाई जग में सभी खुआयो। जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई जग में सभी खुआयो। जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई जग में सभी खुआयो। जन्म जन्म की पूंजी पाई जग में सभी खुआयो। खर्चे ना कोई चोर न लेवे दिन दिन बढ़त सवायो। खर्चे ना कोई चोर न लेवे दिन दिन बढ़त सवायो। पायो जी मैंने कृष्ण रतन धन पायो। पायो जी मैंने कृष्ण रतन धन पायो। पायो जी मैंने कृष्ण रतन धन पायो। पायो जी मैंने कृष्ण रतन धन पायो।
नारायण नारायण।
Oh Narada, oh Narada, have you been to Dwarka? आपने कृष्णा को देखा है? वो खाना खा रहा है? Have you seen our Krishna? How is he doing? Is he eating well? Does he have good appetite?
Oh Narada, tell us everything about Krishna. Don't leave out anything. उसे हमारी याद आती है? Does he ever happen to remember us?
O best of all people, Nand Maharaj and Yashoda Maiya, accept my humble obeisances. आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, मैं अभी द्वारका से ही आया हूँ। मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी खबर देने आया हूँ। Believe it or not, I am just coming from Dwarka and I am here to give you an amazing news.
What is going on? Is Krishna alright? Krishna ठीक तो है?
Yes, he is absolutely fine. Actually, Krishna is organizing the biggest yajna in the universe, as I was asked to invite all the demigods and sages and rest of the residents of universe. So I am traveling for the best festival ever. Everybody is invited. वो सबसे बड़े यज्ञ का आयोजन कर रहे हैं और सभी देवताओं और ऋषियों को बुलाया है।
Wonderful! It's wonderful! You must be coming to inform us. We will come for sure. We will get ready right away. हम अपने कन्हैया को देखने जा रहे हैं. We are going to see our Krishna. I am going to see my child.
Well, I'm not sure how to tell you this. मैं आपको कैसे बताऊं?
बताएं. You can tell us. You can speak freely.
What do you mean? आपका मतलब क्या है?
Well, not only you are not in the guest list, but it was strictly mentioned that you are not welcome. मुझे आपको ये बताना नहीं था. मुझे माफ कर दीजिए. I shouldn't have said any of this. I am sorry. I am so sorry. I have to go now.
वो एक माँ को अपने बेटे से मिलने कैसे नहीं देंगे? How can they stop a mother from seeing her child? I do not want to live anymore.
रुकिए. ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता. Hold on. Calm down. It cannot be that. We are not invited. We are his parents. After all, and here in Vrindavan are his relatives and his childhood friends. And because of that, we can go even without an invitation. हम निमंत्रण के बिना भी जा सकते हैं.
You are right. आप सही बोल रहे हैं.
Of course, कृष्णा जरूर हमको मिलना चाहते हैं. Krishna definitely want to see all of us.
It was so silly of me to think otherwise. Dear Rajvasis, please come. We are going to see Krishna. आ जाओ Rajvasis, हम कृष्णा को मिलने जा रहे हैं. Take our biggest oxens, prepare our best cart, prepare the most delicious food that Krishna likes to eat. अच्छा खाना बनाइए, अच्छे कपड़े पहनिए, हम कृष्णा को मिलने जा रहे हैं. Wear our most festive clothes, play all the instruments, because soon we are going to see Krishna.
So the Brajabasis got ready in the best possible way, their hearts filled with joy and anticipation to meet their beloved Krishna. They departed gathering numerous gifts for Krishna, Balaram, Devaki and Rukmini. They walked and walked for many days, and these days passed in a moment because they were constantly remembering their dear, most wonderful Krishna.
पतिं सुरगुरुं वन्दे जगत्कारणं वन्दे पन्नगभूषणं मृगधरं वन्दे पशूनां पतिं वन्दे सूर्यशशाङ्कवलिनयनं वन्दे.
Finally, the colorful and joyful procession from Vrindavan reached Dwarka. They could already see from the distance that Dwarka was bedecked with all of the universal elements. The leading demigods and their consorts, great sages and saints, were present. Krishna was sitting in the middle of a big palace where the yajna was being performed, and he was personally conducting the whole sacrifice. Around him was a huge crowd of guests, musicians, chanters of the Vedic hymns, singing so loudly that nothing else could be heard. Krishna, the mighty lord of Dwarka, was sitting before the sacrificial fire, having his back towards the palace entrance. He was totally absorbed in pouring ghee into the blazing fire, offering obeisances to the demigods.
चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्म सुकल्प वृक्ष लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तं लक्ष्मी सहस्र शत संभ्रम सेव्यमानं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. स्वाहा नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिप्से नमः. स्वाहा नमो ब्रह्मण्य देवाय गो ब्रह्मण्य हिताय च जगद्हिताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. स्वाहा.
As the Brajabasis tried to enter the palace, they saw the armed guards at the entrance sent by Padmavati, who wanted to make sure that no uninvited guests would enter. Thus, the guards prevented the Brajabasis from entering. The Brajabasis were begging and crying, but nothing would help.
how we are going to see our Krishna? What should we do? क्या करें? कैसे मिले कन्हैया से? Please allow me to see my son. कृपया मुझे मेरे पुत्र से मिला दो.
How many times do I have to tell you? We cannot let you in. मुझे कितनी बार समझाना पड़ेगा कि हमें कहा गया है कि आप लोग अंदर नहीं आ सकते. We have gotten strict instructions to not let the residents of Vrindavan in.
लेकिन क्यों? But why is that? We are Krishna's relatives, his closest associates. हम उनके रिश्तेदार और दोस्त हैं. For sure he will want to see us. Just tell him that his mother is here. वो ज़रूर हमको मिलना चाहेंगे.
मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ? What do I hear? What is all this noise? Who are these people here and what do they want? ये लोग कौन हैं और क्या चाहते हैं? ये व्रजवासी तो नहीं है. They better not be व्रजवासीज. How did they dare to come for this holy gathering? उनके हिम्मत कैसे हुई यहाँ आने की? We made it clear that they are not allowed and they are still so shameless to come here without being invited. उनको शर्म नहीं आती? Unbelievable. There are all kinds of people in this world.
But they claim to be the relatives to our Lord Krishna. They also say that this woman here is Krishna's mother. वो बोल रहे हैं कि ये कृष्णा की माँ है.
Excuse me? What? क्या?
Is that possible? क्या वो मुमकिन है?
There is really no end to their concoction and lies. उनकी झूठ और कहानियों का कोई अंत नहीं है. Just so you know, these people were from the beginning very cruel towards Krishna. First he was forced by Nanda and Yashoda while he was a small child to work in the fields, even though our Krishna is from a royal background. He had to go with a stick in his hand and take care of the cows all day. वो बचपन से गैया चराने को भेजते थे और वो भी नंगे पैर. He wasn't even allowed to wear shoes, so he had to go barefoot. On top of all that torture, they wouldn't even allow him to eat how much he wants. ठीक से खाना भी नहीं देते थे. कृष्णा को मक्खन चुरा के खाना पड़ता था, इसलिए हमारे कृष्णा को मक्खन चोर कहते हैं. So he had to go around the village and steal butter from other people, and they would then get angry at him. Krishna has suffered so much in his childhood. वृंदावन में कृष्णा ने बहुत तकलीफें सही हैं, but then thank God he left Vrindavan and came to live here in Dwarka with us. कृष्णा सबको भूल गया है. आप यहाँ से चले जाओ. Just so you know, he forgot you, and therefore go away from here. Now go. अभी जाओ.
But I am his mother. How it is possible that he forget his mother? लेकिन मैं उसकी माँ हूँ. वो कैसे मुझे भूल सकता है?
बहुत हो गया. मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. This is really too much. I can't believe my own ears. How can someone claim to be Krishna's mother when he already has his mother, Devaki? Yashoda, how can you claim that another woman's son is your son? देवकी उनकी माँ है, तो ये यशोदा उनकी माँ कैसे हो सकती है? Guards, arrest her for such blasphemy. इनको गिरफ्तार कर लो.
But कन्हैया, he is my son. लेकिन वो मेरा बेटा है.
After all, Krishna is black and Yashoda Maiya's complexion is that of gold. So how is that possible that Krishna is her son? कृष्णा तो काला है और यशोदा मैया गोरी है, तो वो उनका बेटा कैसे हो सकता है?
Well, everyone knows that Krishna was born at midnight. सबको मालूम है कि कृष्णा का जन्म रात को हुआ था, इसलिए उनका रंग काला है. Since it was very dark night, He was born with a dark complexion. Also, when Yashoda Maiya gave Krishna cow's milk for the first time, it was milk from a black cow. That is why he is so dark. और यशोदा मैया ने उनको काले गाय का दूध पिलाया था, इसलिए वो काला है।
यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला।
यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला।
बोली मुस्काती मैया ललन को बताया,
हो बोली मुस्काती मैया ललन को बताया,
कारी आधी आधी रात में तू आया,
कारी अंधियारी आधी रात में तू आया,
लाडला कन्हैया मेरा हो, लाडला कन्हैया मेरा काली कमली वाला इसीलिए काला।
Lies, lies, simply lies. Those people were not only bent to Krishna when he was small, but they are coming now with their lies and claiming him to be their child. यह सब झूठ है. Guards, do something about it. कुछ करो.
नारायण नारायण। पद्मावती, what is going on? यहाँ इतना शोर क्यों हो रहा है? What is that noise at the entrance?
ओ नारदा, कहीं से ही व्रजवासी को पता चल गया कि द्वारका के राजा कृष्ण यज्ञ कर रहे हैं. Somehow the Vrajvasis heard that Krishna is doing this yajna and they came to see him. They are even claiming to be his relative. This one right here is claiming to be Krishna's mother. यह महिला कह रही है कि ये कृष्णा की माँ है. Please Narada, say so that everyone can hear. नारदा जी, आप ही बताइए, कृष्णा की माँ कौन है? Who is Krishna's mother?
मैं हूँ अपने कन्हैया की मैया. I am his mother. Kana is my son.
So everything is going just as planned. So there is a dilemma as to whose child is Krishna. इस पहेली को कैसे सुलझाएं? कृष्णा के माता पिता कौन हैं? You know that it is very hard to say who are Krishna's parents. Some say it is Nand Maharaj and Yashoda Maiya, while others say it is Devaki and Vasudev. कौन है कृष्णा के माता पिता? नंद महाराज और यशोदा मैया या वसुदेव और देवकी? How to solve this dilemma? How? Well, there is only one way. That is, the child will know who his real mother is. The child will know it naturally, instinctively. So Krishna will know who his real mother is, Yashoda or Devaki. You know what? We will do an experiment. First, Devaki will call Krishna by his name and see how he reacts to her calling. Then Yashoda Maiya will do the same. Devaki, Devaki, please come over here. सब आए. हम देखते हैं कि कौन कृष्णा की माता है. पहले देवकी माता उनको पुकारेगी, फिर यशोदा माता बुलाएंगी.
ओ रिस्पेक्टेड नारदा, मैं क्या करूं? प्लीज टेल मी What should I do?
देवकी, प्लीज कॉल कृष्णा. आप कृष्णा को बुलाइए. We need him urgently here. Call him to come to you.
Sure, sure. अच्छा, आप जैसा कहें, नारद जी.
Devaki then calls Krishna, who was sitting near her. There was no chance for Krishna to hear her due to the huge noise produced by the musical instruments, bells, chanting of the Vedic mantras. The prince of Dwarka, Krishna, was pouring ghee into the fire and couldn't see or hear anything besides that.
Krishna, Krishna, oh Krishna.
It's okay, देवकी. Don't worry about it. कोई बात नहीं, चिंता मत करो देवकी. You can continue with your duties. अब यशोदा मैया, आप पुकारो कन्हैया को. Can you now call Krishna, please?
Mother Yashoda called Krishna only 2 times. She called him by his most intimate name that is only used in Vrindavan. The first time he heard his name, Krishna was struck, his hands shook, and the ghee spilled all over the place. He looked around in anxiety. Then Mother Yashoda called for the second time.
कन्हैया.
Who is calling me? कौन मुझे पुकार रहा है? Who is calling me? कौन मुझे पुकार रहा है? Who is calling me? कौन मुझे पुकार रहा है?
Krishna glanced around in anxiety. He looked at the entrance and saw the Vrijabasis. Then he saw Mother Yashoda and called out,
मैया, मैया, मैया.
Krishna ran towards Mother Yashoda as fast as he could. He didn't care about the interrupted sacrifice or the guests that were wondering what was going on with the Lord of Dwarka. Then Narad Muni shouted,
Indra, Indra, jaldi aao, और देखो. Come quick, look at this, come here.
Then the king of heavens, Indra, saw right before his very eyes the prince of Dwarka transformed into a gopa, a little cowherd boy with intense love for his mother. Mother Yashoda received Krishna with unparalleled love, which was so famous in Vrindavan. Krishna couldn't resist without returning the same way back. Lost in her embrace, he forgot about everything around him because Krishna is controlled by love and love only, and the presence of his mother Yashoda, erupting volcano of love. Krishna had neither the free will nor the will to be free. Mother Yashoda did not want to separate from Krishna. Her constant tears were his arti. Milk dripping from her breast was his abhishek, and her sobs and cries for Vedic hymns was his praise. Who can understand the glories of the supreme loving exchanges between Krishna and Mother Yashoda?
Gopal,
श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, नंद के आनंद भयो जय यशोदा लाल की। ब्रज में आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की, ब्रज में आनंद भयो जय यशोदा लाल की। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की, हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिजबाला। गोविंदा आला रे आला, जरा मटकी संभाल ब्रिजबाला। गोविंदा आला रे